So hey everyone, this is the part 2 of the introduction part of the general veterinary pathology, which is our unit 1. So in the previous chapter, or we can say in the previous video, we have discussed about the different kind of pathology and the basic definition of pathology. And in this video, we will be discussing about the basic terms which we will go through the whole syllabus, like it will be repeated several times. So let's study those. Here, what are the predisposing causes? These are the causes that make the animal susceptible to the disease and are also known as remote, distance or preparatory causes. Okay, ये वो कॉजेज होते हैं जिसकी वजह से एनिमल में एक्साइटेशन होता है एंड वो डिजीज की प्रोसेस को और एक्साइट करते हैं ओके और दीज exciting causes are also known as proximate, determining or immediate or direct causes. Now if we are studying about the etiology, it includes the study of diseases in relation to the geographical location, season, breed, age, sex and the environmental factors. Now we have came across a term, the pathogenesis. Pathogenesis means the mechanism by which the causes produce disease. Okay, so अभी तक हमने disease से related तीन terms पढ़े. The first one was pathology, in which we have studied that the study of diseases is called pathology. Then we came across the term etiology, uh, where we studied that the cause of disease, the study of cause of disease is known as etiology. Now, the pathogenesis. Pathogenesis means the mechanism. Okay, so there's a difference, like pathology, the whole system, then comes the etiology, the cause, and in that cause, the whole mechanism is called as pathogenesis. Okay. So here the usual definition, that pathogenesis means the mechanism by which causes the any organism produces diseases. Okay, so here you can study by yourself. Okay, let me tell you, this is the Ganti A Shastri book. It is a good book, but I think you should prefer the JL Vegard. It has more defined theory, and if you want like a summary of the whole pathology, like for a revision process before the exam, you can go for the R.S. Chauhan, the pathology by R.S. Chauhan. Okay, if you want me, then I will also make a separate video for which books to prefer in the first year or second year. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, do you want that kind of video or not? Now, what is symptoms or signs? It is the manifestation, like अगर हमें फीवर है, हम उसके सिम्टम क्या होंगे? हमें हाई टेम्परेचर होगा हमारी बॉडी का, है ना, वो वीकनिंग होगी, थोड़ा सा lethargy, like that of condition that are known as symptoms. That is, after disease, what are the reactions are coming out of your body? Okay, that are the symptoms or the signs of the body, like fast pulse, labored breathing, abnormal sounds, है ना. तो ये सारे. Now what is the lesions? Lesions are very important because in any disease, what we will study now? If we are studying any disease, first we will study the etiology, then the pathogenesis of the disease, then the lesions and diagnosis also. So the lesions, these are the alterations in the tissues, okay, in the structure of the cells or the tissues. So there are two types of lesions. One is microscopic lesion and the second one is macroscopic lesion. Okay, microscopic lesion means which we can't see through our naked eyes, that are microscopic lesion, and macroscopic lesions means the lesions which we can see through our naked eyes. Okay, so microscopic lesions, which in which we have to use the microscope for seeing the alterations in the tissue. And in macroscopic lesions we can see, or we can say, the gross features of any disease, the gross symptoms, like if there is a swelling or there is a type of burn, that comes under the macroscopically. Okay, now the diagnosis. Diagnosis is the art of determination of the nature of disease, causes, lesions, symptoms, etc. Okay, now the incubation period. incubation period कोई सा भी ऐसा टाइम जिस टाइम पे वो लाइक उस टाइम पे वो डिजीज है, उसका वो डिजीज कितने टाइम तक अपने पीक पे रहती है, वो सारी चीजें हमारी इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड में आती हैं. incubation period is the time that elapses between the action of a cause and manifestation of a disease. Means कि like if we take the example of the COVID-19, अगर हमारे अंदर COVID-19 के बैक्टीरिया आए हैं तो वो वायरस, सॉरी फॉर द सेइंग बैक्टीरिया, नाउ द वायरस, अगर वो हमारा वायरस हमारी बॉडी में कितने टाइम कब आया और उसका रिएक्शन टाइम क्या था, जिससे कि हमारे जब तक हमारे सिम्टम्स निकल रहे हैं, वो हमारा इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड हो गया. ओके, नाउ द कोर्स ऑफ द डिजीज. The course of the disease is the duration of the time through which the series of changes characteristic of disease pass through to their ultimate end. Means the whole kind of, like if you got fever, so the from the first day of the fever to the last day of the period, that is the course of the disease. Okay, a disease may terminate in recovery or death, or may prolong for a considerable length, as in case of chronic diseases. That is the important line कि हमारा जो कोर्स ऑफ द डिजीज है दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो उसका जो रिजल्ट होगा, रिजल्ट हमारे तीन तरीके के होते हैं, या तो वो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, या फिर रिकवरी होगी, या तो डेथ होगी. ओके, नाउ द प्रोग्नोसिस. द प्रोग्नोसिस ऑफ अ डिजीज इज द एस्टिमेट बाय अ क्लिनिशियन of probable severity and outcome of disease. Okay, prognosis like अगर हम एक डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो वो डॉक्टर बताते कि आपको ठीक होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, या फिर ये कंडीशन अगर आपने मेडिसिन नहीं ली तो क्या सीवियर कंडीशन पे आप पहुंच सकते हैं. वो एक जो प्रोफेशनल होता है जो ये सारी चीजें बताता है, वो जो ये सब करता है, उसे हम प्रोग्नोसिस बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ द मॉर्बिडिटी. इट इज अ परसेंटेज ऑफ एक्सपोज्ड एनिमल्स दैट गेट अफेक्टेड फॉर. ओके, इट इज अ परसेंटेज. मॉर्बिडिटी मीन्स जो भी एनिमल्स एक पॉपुलेशन में से अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं किसी भी बीमारी से, लाइक द लंपी स्किन डिजीज इन काउस, इन कैटल वी कैन से. ओके, सो अगर 1000 की पॉपुलेशन है हमारी कैटल की, अगर उसमें से 500 हमारी लंपी स्किन डिजीज से अफेक्ट हो रही हैं तो वो हमारा मॉर्बिडिटी रेट हो रहा है. ओके, एंड देन कम्स द मोर्टेलिटी. मोर्टेलिटी मीन्स जो हमारे 500 वो अफेक्ट हुए हैं उसमें से कितनों की डेथ हो रही है, वो हमारा मोर्टेलिटी है. ओके, सो अगर हमारी 1000 एनिमल्स की 1000 की पॉपुलेशन है, कोई डिजीज स्प्रेड हुई तो उस स्प्रेड से कितने अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं वो हमारा मॉर्बिडिटी हो गया, और उन अफेक्टेड में से कितनों की डेथ हो रही है वो हमारा मोर्टेलिटी हो गया. ओके, so that was all. Wait for the third part of this video. Thank you.